Sammy, wake up! Wow, you definitely have superpowers!
What?
You're a real sleepwalker!
Yeah, I played so late yesterday.
Let me guess, Brawl Stars?
Yup, my ratings are up!
And you started to look like this legendary brawler Sandy. He is always sleepy.
That's what you say. Are we really alike?
More than you think. I can show you.
Challenge accepted! How are you gonna prove it?
Let's craft and chat.
Let's go!
Hi to the viewers and to all Brawl Stars fans. You know what's coming?
Sandy, come on! We'll miss all the fun!
No, you're just on time. Check this out. Any thoughts? What do you think, Sammy?
Don't know what it is, but it looks like two of my favorite colors!
Yep, and these are Sandy's primary colors. We're gonna make a bedroom for him. Let's glue the floor and the walls together. And the first step's done.
Hey, it's noon already! Nothing can awake him.
We made a window here so Sandy can check whether it's day or night.
Okay, this must work. Shiver me cheddars, he's finally awake!
Yep, he just needed to restore his powers. And his bedroom finally has walls.
Sandy, check this out! A nice view, isn't it? Sue, help! The light defeated him!
Okay, just a moment. It was expected, though. Sandy will feel better in a gloomy room.
Guys, we can make everything from plasticine! Even something like this! Uh-oh, it's broken.
We'll fix it later. Now let's make something very important.
A blue brick?
Good guess, but it won't be handy in here. Let's adjust it a bit, and I'm sure you'll know what it is very soon.
Ah, now it looks like a pillow. Awesome, Susan!
And do you know what will make it even cuter? Little tassels on the edges.
All right, I want to sleep on it too.
I think Sandy won't mind. The pillow is ready. Let's make a bed. First comes this plushy bed head. It looks so comfy. And here is the bed itself. These two pieces fit perfectly.
A whole new blanket! It has the skulls from the Brawl Stars!
Hi, blanket. Hi, pillow. Nice! Welcome to Sandy's room.
Susie, check this out! Can I wear them instead of earrings?
Sure, but remember the sand inside those bags can make you fall asleep. Use them wisely.
La da 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 da. Holy cannoli, it's a banana! But it smells weird. Sue, did you want to trick me?
It was totally unintentional. Wait a bit, I just want to finish with the sleeping powder.
Hey, isn't that just glitter?
Shh! In Sandy's room, everything has a sleepy magical vibe. And now this banana turns into a crescent moon.
It's so cool! Sandy, check this out! Shiver me cheddars! He's asleep again!
Then we'll have more time to finish this armchair. I bet Sandy is gonna sleep in here and not read the books. That's why we'll add dream catchers here and there.
So pretty! I don't think we'll make something cooler today!
Challenge accepted! Guys, stay tuned and you'll see how it goes. Guys, I knew we forgot something. There is no pillow here. It must be somewhere. Sammy, did you see it?
Not even a hint!
Well, but I certainly something on the back of your head.
Huh? Where?
Here it is.
You're a real Sherlock, Susan! I wish I had your skills.
But you do have multiple talents.
It's enough. Sue, I call you for a pillow fight!
Woohoo! And I'm also good at fetching. More pillows for Sandy. A legendary brawler definitely should have a lot of gems.
Holy cannoli! I'll post them on my page! Everybody will be so jealous!
Ahem! Did you miss something here, slimy influencer?
Oopsie. I got distracted a bit.
By the way, I found another thing you and Sandy have in common. Catchphrases. Sandy has a dozen of them.
Holy cannoli, you're right!
It's time for plasticine reanimation. Let's bring this telescope back together. Sammy, are you alright?
Yep, slimes are more resilient than telescopes.
At least those made of plasticine. Anyway, a few drops of glue will fix it.
Why does he need a telescope at all? Is he an explorer?
Sandy can use this telescope to find his intergalactic friends.
Or he'll fall asleep in the process. Ah.
Bullseye! Energy drinks are Sandy's best friends. As well as pizza, but not with arugula though.
It's like me! I love pizza but hate it with cheese.
I found one thing Sandy hates the most. It's an alarm clock.
Me too! Guys, join our sleepy team by giving us a thumbs up!
I want to fix it, so Sandy won't miss the next Brawlers fight. His alarm clock looks so angry. Check out his frown.
But I'd better hide it from another sand attack. Here! Now you're safe! Thank me later!
Guys, do you remember that Sandy always has a runny nose? Let's make this drop even bigger.
Oh no! It's a monster! Take that! Huh? Sue, I thought it was some, well, monster.
You're my hero, Sam! Now we can totally make a designer's carpet from it.
What a surprising turn of events!
Oh, now I'm a bit confused. Should we add something from Sandy's other skins?
Don't worry, Sue! These green slippers will do!
Here we go. Wait, something is hiding under the bed. Is this a poster of BB? Seems like Sandy's her fan.
You pulled it out too soon! I haven't finished her bat yet!
Well, let's do that right now. Smack attack! I love this line she says when spawning.
Susan, be careful! The smile is so tiny!
Trust me, now it has a much better look. It's super happy. Go to your owner. You look awesome together. Last touch. Perfect.
A bit on the left, lower, higher, turn it diagonally.
Whew, finally. Sandy will be happy with it.
Susan, I see your future. A shooting star will come upon you.
And another Tarot Master left a gift for Sandy here. He wants to challenge Sandy to a duel?
Then he should prepare his outfit beforehand and put it on a hanger.
Whoosh! The star is landing!
I told you, Susan! A shooting star is here!
Sammy, you did everything to fulfill your prophecy. I think I'm a bit sleepy now.
Be like Sandy and drink coffee. It's his favorite drink.
It's strong. Brr, now I'm totally awake.
Check this out! A bear from Nita! Sandy has lots of friends, like me!
Oh, this is Bruce! He's so small and super cute.
I can't! Take it out, Sue!
Guys, Sandy loves listening to podcasts. Give a thumbs up if you do too. They help him stay awake. Great! Now it's on! Oh, Leo is calling.
Hello? Sam is speaking. Hang on! Leon said we should hurry up. They want to have a Brawlers party tonight at Sandy's!
That's fine. We've almost finished anyway, but the room is a bit messy.
Take these glasses. They're not in my style anyway.
I thought you'd say something about their size.
Here's a room tour for all the Brawlers of the world!
He needs a bit more energy. There you go. Seems like we should postpone it. Let's do it next time. Guys, Sandy really liked his new room. What do you think?
Give us a thumbs up if you loved it too!
We wish you sweet dreams. Sandstorm!